Hi everyone, this is Dave from Westbrook Technologies, and today I get to show you a cool new feature in Fortis 2.7, and that is our brand new mobile client. Fortis Mobile is accessed using a URL in your tablet's browser. I'm given a login prompt. I can put in my Fortis credentials and choose to log in. Once I'm in, I'm presented with two different ways to query, and you should be used to these as a Fortis user. You've got either a simple query or an advanced query. We'll start by taking a look at simple query. So I can choose first the database that I'm going to use. In this case, it's the Paperless & Company database. And then I'm presented with all of the document types within that database. In this case, I'm going to look for invoices. And then I'm presented with a window that shows all of the index information associated with that document type. In this case, I'd actually like to see all invoices, so I'm going to leave everything blank and choose Run Query. And then I'm presented with a list of all of the invoices that I have in the system. If I want to look at one of those invoices, I can just tap it from the grid, and the document will open up for me to view. And I can also choose to view the index information. If there were a mistake in the index information, I could even go ahead and edit it. So in this case, there wasn't an invoice date. So I'm just going to go ahead and set that date right now. Once I've updated the index information, I can go ahead and hit Save. So I've quickly pulled up that document, viewed the document itself, and edited the index information that goes along with it. Now, at any time, I can switch back to the view of the document, or go back to the results of the query, and I can also go all the way back to choose the way I'm going to search. So we just looked at the simple query. Now let's look at advanced query. Again, in advanced query, you're prompted to choose which database you want to search in, which folder you have the query stored in, and then in there you can see all of your saved searches. So I'm going to go ahead and use three-way match by PO. I know that the PO number I'm searching for is 28911. And then I hit Run Query, and this is going to retrieve the delivery ticket, purchase order, and invoice for that PO. So in this case, at the top, you can see I've got invoices, and this is my invoice. If I click on purchase order, this is the PO, and delivery confirmation, this is the delivery confirmation. So if I go ahead and click on any one of those documents, it's again going to open up the document so that I can take a look at it. I can again look at index data. At any point, I can go from the index data back to the document, back to the results where I can look at the multiple document types, or back to my search. So as you can see, this presents a really easy and quick way to use mobile devices to access your documents within Fortis.